My name is Ayana Williams. I'm with NRPA, the National Recreation and Park Association. We partner with Bobcat to do a project where we are putting in all the things you need for the type of ecosystem that's really going to bring in the pollinators and just a whole habitat.
This was a grant we were very fortunate to get from Bobcat. It made this all possible, so we appreciate that more than I can say. But this has been like a dream come true.
With the Bobcat sponsorship, it has really made things available that we would not be able to do. Expand the amount of what resources we're able to put in other areas. And it's with corporate sponsors like Bobcat that really help make this park a reality.
This today is really special for me because I got to participate and give back to where I come from. To be able to work for a company that gives back specifically for the newer generations like my grandchildren.
To me, that's one of the biggest things is investing back into our communities. If we don't invest in our communities, we're not going to grow, we're not going to have future prosperity. Places like this give the community something to come and see and just enjoy nature and spend time and kind of decompress from a day of working.
It's going to help the community itself. It's also going to help the bees, the butterflies, all our native insects from the pollinator side. It's also going to help keep clean water. So this is the way to help keep our drinking water safe and clean.
So it's important to us at Bobcat Company to bring together community involvement and really show how our equipment can show up in spaces that are more than the construction site or the backyard.
People who are working every day and making a living and raising families need places to go that are pleasing in nature. All that's important to people.